Nation, itodo na ang pag-comment at pag-tweet para sa inyong paboritong Clasher using the hashtag #TheClashConcert. Dahil ngayong gabi, siguradong kakailanganin nila ng ating Final Six ang suporta ninyong lahat.
Tonight, isang higanteng pagsubok ang haharapin ng ating Final Six. Clash Nation, kumapit na kayo sa inyong kinauupuan dahil bukod sa concert-level performance na inihanda ng ating Final Six, may isa pang matinding hamon na nag-aabang sa kanila.
Clash Panel, ihanda nyo na ang inyong mga puso dahil siguradong masakit ang tanggalang magaganap tonight.
Ngayong gabi, magaganap ang kauna-unahang double elimination of this season.
Judges, ano bang may papayo nyo sa ating Final Six para hindi sila mapauwi tonight?
So for me, it is not important who is going to be the winner in this competition. What truly matters is how you are going to inspire each one of us through your voice and through your performance tonight.
Okay, ako naman ang masasabi ko ay first, perform your best, pray, and leave the rest to God. And kahit masakit, fighting.
Ako naman, merong matatanggal. For sure, don't think less of yourselves. Dahil sumali kayo sa The Clash, you are already more than who you were before. Salamat.